In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Zoho CRM using Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to Zoho, understanding how to leverage reports can significantly enhance how you manage and interpret your data. So let's dive right in and demystify this process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho CRM account using the Chrome browser. Logging in sets the stage for everything else we'll be doing today. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, glance at the top of your screen to locate the main menu. Among the various options, click on Reports. This section is where you'll create and manage all of your data reports. It's like your command center for ensuring data is digestible and actionable. Next, the focus shifts to crafting your unique report. To kick off this process, look for the option that says Create Report. Click on it, and you'll be ushered into a space where you can customize your report to align with your needs. At this point, you'll have the chance to choose the type of report that best suits your objectives. You'll see options like tabular, summary, or matrix. Each type serves different purposes. Tabular is great for simple lists, summary for aggregating data, and matrix if you need a multi-dimensional view. Take a moment to think about what information you want to share or analyze and pick accordingly. After selecting your report type, it's time to choose the module and the fields you want to incorporate into your report. The module is essentially the category of data you're dealing with, like leads or accounts. Carefully select the fields you think will highlight the information you need. Make sure you have a clear idea of what you want your report to achieve, as this will guide your choices here. With your fields selected, turning our attention to filters is a wise move. Applying filters can significantly refine the data so that you only see what's relevant to your query. Whether you need data from a certain time frame, geographical area, or customer segment, filters help you narrow it down efficiently. Once that's set, you'll want to save your progress and run the report to see it in action. This step is crucial because it compiles all the choices you've made into a cohesive and structured document. Finally, if you wish to share your findings or analyze them further, you have the option to export the report. You can also schedule its delivery to make sure various stakeholders are in the loop at the right time. Automating delivery ensures everyone stays informed without manual effort every time. And there you have it. You've successfully created a report in Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you can streamline how data informs your decisions, making your workflow more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting!